Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Raghavendra Mysore. Today we are solving problem number 10 from the unit of triangles of class 10. The question is taken from exercise 6.5 in CBSE textbook and it is taken from exercise 2.5 in Karnataka state textbook. The question is like this. A guy wire attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meter is 24 meter long and has a stake attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven so that the wire will be turned? So I will repeat the question once again and we will try to understand what is there. A guy wire attached to a vertical pole. So I've drawn a vertical pole and this is the ground or base. The pole is vertical and the height of the pole is 18 meter. This height is 18 meter long and is 24 meter long. That is the 24 meter long is the length of the wire. It is 24 meter long as a stake attached to the other end. The other end is they have attached a stake to the other end of the wire. One end of the wire is with respect to the vertical pole and the other end is here. How far from the base of the pole? So this is the base of the pole. How far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven so that the wire will be turned? So the turn, meaning of turn means it is nothing but you need to stretch the wire in a straight line. I hope that you people have understood this figure with respect to the question. And if you carefully observe, if I give the name, it looks like a ABC triangle, and since the pole is vertical pole is perpendicular to the ground, it will be the angle formed here is 90 degree. So the length of the wire, so this is wire, this is vertical pole. Now we will use Pythagoras theorem to solve this one. By using Pythagoras theorem, we know that in a right angle triangle, the square of the larger side is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So AC is the larger side. We can write it as AC square, that is equal to AB square plus BC square. What we are trying to find out, we need to find out the length of BC. So this length is nothing but it is the distance between the stake and the base of the pole. What is the measurement of AC? It is 24 meter square. So it is 24 square AC square, 24 square is equal to AB. AB is what? 18. AB square is 18 square plus BC square as it is. So 24 square. So 24 square is what? It is 576. So if it doesn't know, we can multiply here. 24 into 24. 4 4s are 16. 1 carry for the next digit. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. So it is 6. 9 plus 8 is 17. 576. I hope that you have understood this one. 18 square. 18 square is 324 plus BC square. So if it doesn't know 18 square, we will do the working here. Here itself I will do the working. 18 into 18. 8 8s are 64. 6 carry for the next digit. 8 1s are 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 into 8 is 8. 1 1s are 1. So 4 plus 8 is 12. 1 carry. So it is 324. I will transpose this 324 to the other side of the equals. So BC square is equal to 576 minus 324. So 576 is here minus 324. 6 minus 4 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. And 5 minus 3 is 2. So BC square is equal to 252. We need to find out only BC measurement, not the BC square measurement. So it is everything in meter square. So we can also write it in the form of meter square, or at the end we can put meter here itself. So putting square root on both sides, square root of BC square is equal to square root of 252. Square root get cancels. So BC is equal to square root of 252. It is a multiple of 6. If you carefully observe here, 6 4s are 24. In 25, if I take out 24, 1 remains. It becomes 12. 6 2s are 12. Once again, 42 comes in the table of 6 1s are. That is 6 7s are 42. So 6 has been repeated 2 times. So BC can be written as square root of 6 square into 7. So here itself we know that square and square root get cancelled. Square and square root get cancelled. So BC is equal to 6 root 7 and it is meter. Whenever we apply the root, it becomes meter. So BC is nothing but the length of the distance between the stake and the base of the vertical pole. So we can write in the form of sentence 6 root 7 meter is the distance from the base of the pole to the stake. I hope that you people have understood this particular problem. If you like this video, please give a like to the video, share the video, and don't forget to do a comment. And if you're new to my channel, please do support the channel by subscribing it. Thanks for watching the video.